Welcome to the Connectability Appointments Module webinar for Kentucky Employment and Training providers, provider supervisors, worker role staff, and central office staff. The purpose of this webinar is to inform key audiences of the coming changes to connectability with the implementation of the Connect Appointments module. In this webinar, we will be covering the following topics: an overview of Connect Appointments module for Phase 1, the benefits of Connect Appointments module, system updates coming to connectability and a system demonstration of some new functionalities, system updates coming to Connect benefits and a system demonstration of ENT appointment scheduling and management in Connect benefits, high-level SNAP ENT correspondence update through connectability, training materials and other resources for Connect benefits and connectability, and provide a recap and next steps. Let's begin with an overview of the new Connect Appointments module. The Connect Appointments module introduces a modern appointment scheduling and management system to connectability and Connect benefits. New capabilities for ENT participants, providers, provider supervisors, and central office staff include ENT participants having the ability to set up and manage appointments from Connect benefits, the ability for ENT providers, provider supervisors, and central office staff to set up and manage ENT appointments for ENT participants through connectability. Within this webinar, we will cover the following topics: appointment scheduling for providers, supervisors, and central office staff through connectability and for ENT participants in Connect benefits. The ENT provider dashboard, highlighting the changes to the provider dashboard within connectability for providers and supervisors. And finally, we will cover appointment location setup, where supervisors now have the ability to set up ENT offices from within connectability. Now we are going to discuss an overview of Phase 1 of the Connect Appointments module, including changes to Connect benefits and connectability. Phase 1 of the Connect Appointments module go live is on December 20th, 2021, and introduces appointment scheduling and management into Connect benefits and connectability for ENT participants, providers, and supervisors. The Connect Appointments module Phase 1 updates include the following. For Connect benefits, the Connect Appointment module introduces the capability for ENT participants to schedule, reschedule, and cancel their ENT appointments in Connect benefits, as well as the ability for ENT participants to receive email and text notifications based on the communication preferences the participant indicated in Connect benefits. For connectability, the Connect Appointment module introduces the ability for providers and supervisors to schedule SNAP ENT appointments through connectability, and supervisors having the ability to set up and manage ENT office appointment locations through connectability. So, what are some of the benefits of the new Connect Appointments module? For providers and ENT supervisors, the Connect Appointments module streamlines management of ENT appointments for providers and connectability, tracks current and upcoming appointments and connectability through the appointment widgets, increases transparency for ENT offices and supervisors to view appointment trends and metrics via appointment reports found in connectability, allows appointment scheduling and management for ENT participants through Connect benefits. Now, for ENT participants, the Connect Appointments module increases access to appointments from their dashboard in Connect benefits, adds new capabilities to schedule, reschedule, and cancel appointments in their Connect benefits. This provides easier access to enrolling and renewing their benefits, allows for greater appointment awareness through appointment email and text notifications, and adds additional channels for connectors, agents, and authorized representatives to help connect residents to additional resources and benefits through Connect benefits. For DCBS management, the Connect Appointments module streamlines management of DCBS office appointment scheduling, tracks current and upcoming appointments in Worker Portal through the new Appointments widgets, increases transparency on appointment trends and metrics through appointment reports found on the Connect Staff Portal for identified DCBS management, allows resident appointment scheduling, which not only makes it easier for the resident to schedule and manage appointments, but also increases their awareness of upcoming appointments through email and text appointment reminders. Now, we are going to discuss the system updates and connectability, as well as walk through a system demonstration of the provider dashboard within Connectability. Connectability is used by SNAP ENT providers, supervisors, provider staff, and central office staff to manage residents' participation in the SNAP ENT program. Updates to Connectability include 2 new appointment widgets on the ENT provider dashboard, the My Appointments widget, which shows appointments assigned to providers, and the Unassigned Appointments widget used by providers and supervisors to manage and show unassigned appointments. Also, providers and supervisors may set up and manage ENT appointments for ENT participants through the provider dashboard. And finally, supervisors have the ability to set up and manage ENT office appointment locations. Now we will walk through viewing the appointment widgets on the provider dashboard, ENT appointment scheduling and connectability, ENT office appointment location setup, and viewing appointment reports. 2 new tools on the ENT provider dashboard, the My Appointments widget shown in the top screenshot and the Unassigned Appointments widget shown below, allows for scheduling and management of SNAP ENT assessments and the SNAP ENT program general appointments. Now let's cover those widgets in more detail. The My Appointments widget shows the ENT provider's assigned appointments arranged with the current or earliest appointments on the top. Current appointments, or those with a start time in the next 2 hours, appear in red with an exclamation point icon next to them. Appointment records display the start time, duration, individual, appointment type, channel, status, and action columns. Selecting the Start button in the Action column navigates providers to the individual detail screen and marks the status as Show. Scheduled appointments that are not started and not marked as Show are automatically marked as No Show at 11:59 p.m. of the current business day. Selecting the Release button places the appointment in the Unassigned Appointments widget. Users may check the Show Today's Past Due Appointments checkbox located in the top right-hand corner of the My Appointments widget to view past due appointments. And finally, appointments with a cancel status do not display the start or release links. The Unassigned Appointments widget displays the ENT office's unassigned appointments arranged with the earliest appointments on the top. Now for these appointments, each unassigned appointment has an Assign link in the Action column. Providers may assign themselves an ENT appointment by clicking Assign. Supervisors may also assign appointments to providers by clicking Assign. The appointment filter at the top of the widget allows providers and supervisors to enter information into the individual ID, date, channel, begin time, office, and end time fields. Click Apply to update the Unassigned Appointments widget based on the information entered into the appointment filter fields. ENT supervisors have additional functionalities on their Unassigned Appointments widget. They may click the Unassigned Appointments arrow beside the header to select whether they would like to display all assigned appointments or all unassigned appointments. The assigned appointments display a release link instead of an assign link in the Action column. Clicking the release link automatically updates the appointment status to unassigned. Likewise, clicking the Assign link under the Action column from the Unassigned Appointments widget opens the Assign To pop-up for supervisors. Once you click the Assign link on the Unassigned Appointment widget, you are navigated to the Assign to pop-up window. Select the ENT provider's name from the Name drop-down. Supervisors may search for and select any ENT provider or supervisor in the same office. Then, click Save at the bottom of the screen. This assigns the appointment to the appropriate individual. Now, we shift our focus to scheduling an ENT appointment within Connectability. Providers and supervisors can now schedule ENT appointments for ENT participants through Connectability. A new Schedule Appointment tab is added to the individual detail screen in Connectability. Upon clicking the Schedule Appointment tab on the individual details screen, the Schedule Appointment screen displays the participant appointment information, including the appointment name, appointment type, date, time, appointment channel, and status. Click Schedule Appointment to navigate to the Member Details screen, shown at the bottom of this slide, to schedule an ENT appointment. The Member Details screen is read-only and displays the ENT participant's information, including their name, email, phone, address, and preferred contact method. Click Next to go to the Appointment Type Selection screen. Providers and supervisors may select the type of appointment and the appointment's location while scheduling the appointment. The Select Appointment Type screen displays the two types of appointments that providers and supervisors may schedule for ENT participants. The appointments include the SNAP ENT Assessment Appointment and the SNAP ENT Program General Appointment. The SNAP ENT Assessment Appointments are where providers complete a SNAP ENT assessment for an ENT participant. For the SNAP ENT Program General Appointments, providers discuss participation in the SNAP ENT program with ENT participants. Providers may check one or both appointment types for an ENT participant, then click Next at the bottom of the screen to navigate to the Appointment Location screen. The Appointment Location screen, shown on the screenshot in the bottom right-hand side of the slide, displays the ENT participant's address, a map to the ENT office, and office details including phone number and hours of operation. The Appointment Location screen displays the ENT office nearest to the ENT participant zip code. After visually confirming the appointment location, click Next to navigate to the Preferred Date screen. On the Preferred Date screen, providers and supervisors may use the calendar icon in the Select Your Preferred Date for Appointment field to choose a preferred appointment date. Click Next at the bottom of the screen to confirm the date and navigate to the Select Time Slot screen. Please note the Select Your Preferred Date for Appointment field does not display the dates on the same day or within the next 24 hours. The field displays dates up to 15 business days from the current date. The Select Time Slot screen displays all available time slots in the next 15 business days. 5 dates are displayed at a time. Click View More Time Slots to view more time slots. Please note that the View More Time Slots button does not appear if there are no more time slots to display. Select a time slot and click Next to navigate to the Appointment Channel and Special Accommodations screen. The Appointment Channel and Special Accommodations screen allows providers and supervisors to select the appointment channel or how the ENT participants would like to have their appointment, whether in person or via telephone. Select the preferred channel from the appointment channel list. The office location is the same location displayed on the appointment location screen and displays the ENT office's address. The appointment channel and special accommodation screen also allows providers and supervisors to select special accommodations for language and interpretations if applicable. Click Schedule Appointment to schedule the appointment. Providers and supervisors may finish the appointment scheduling process by reviewing the appointment details, then clicking Confirm Appointment. Clicking Confirm Appointment schedules the appointment and displays the appointment successfully scheduled pop-up with the appointment details. The scheduled appointment now displays on the Unassigned Appointments widget until an ENT provider staff or supervisor assigns the appointment from the dashboard. Once the appointment is scheduled, a notification is sent to the ENT participant via their preferred notification method. That can be text or email. Now that we have covered how to schedule an appointment, let's cover other ways to manage and view appointment details. Providers and supervisors may view ENT appointment details and manage ENT appointments by navigating to the Schedule Appointment tab on the individual detail screen. Choose an appointment record on the appointment detail screen by clicking on the drop-down icon and selecting View. After clicking View, you may review the appointment details on the appointment details screen. Providers and supervisors may reschedule or cancel an appointment by clicking Reschedule Appointment or Cancel Appointment at the top of the appointment detail screen. As stated on the previous slide, providers and supervisors may reschedule or cancel appointments on the appointment details screen. Let's cover how to reschedule an appointment. First, click Reschedule Appointment at the top of the appointment detail screen to begin the rescheduling process. The member details, select appointment type, and appointment location screens seen during this process are view only since we are rescheduling an appointment. Select the new date the ENT participant would like from the Select Your Preferred Date for Appointment field on the Preferred Date screen and click Next. Select the new time slot from the Select Time Slot screen. Select the preferred appointment channel and any special accommodations from the Appointment Channel and Special Accommodations screen. Click Schedule Appointment to reschedule the appointment. Now let's discuss how to cancel an appointment through Connectability. Click Cancel Appointment at the top of the appointment details screen. The appointment cancellation confirmation pop-up appears. Click Confirm to the Are you sure you want to cancel this appointment question to cancel the appointment. During the next portion of the system demonstration, we will discuss the appointment location setup process for ENT offices. Supervisors may set up the ENT office's appointment location through Connectability by navigating to the ENT office's screen. Setting up an ENT office location will allow it to display on Connect benefits and Connectability as a location for ENT appointments. For Phase 1, locations will be automatically uploaded in the system, but additional details will still need to be validated and updated. To set up a new ENT office location, click on the Appointment Location tab. Click New to set up an ENT office appointment location. To view the details of an existing appointment location, click View from the drop-down icon. Clicking New will take you to the appointment location setup screen. Please note that only one appointment location may be set up per ENT office. Clicking New when an appointment location already exists displays an error that states, "Please update the existing setup if required. New appointment location cannot be created." Click the Details tab on the Appointment Location Setup screen to view the appointment location basic information and appointment location sections. The office field is pre-populated. The appointment location basic information and appointment location sections are populated based on the ENT office information. Please note that the Is Active checkbox is only displayed to the central office staff. If the Is Active checkbox is checked, then the Consent to Deactivate checkbox must also be checked. The Is Active flag should be rarely used and would only be deselected if an office is shut down due to an emergency such as a weather or flooding. Next, enter the ENT office's time zone in the time zone field. Enter the ENT office opening and closing times in the start time and end time fields for Monday through Saturday. Please note, if Saturday is not a day of operation for an ENT office, the start time and end time fields may be left blank. During the Phase 1 Go Live, a start time and end time is mandatory for Monday through Friday. To start this process, follow these steps to enter the ENT office's appointment location hours for any day the office is closed. First, after you enter the ENT office's time zone, set the start time to 8 a.m. and the end time to 8:30 a.m. 30 minutes is the minimum length of time the connectability system allows an office's appointment location to be open. Next, in the office capacity screen, in the appointment location setup process, enter 0 for all time slots when setting up the office capacity. The ENT office shows as open for half an hour on the office appointments screen, but appointments cannot be scheduled during that time if the capacity is set to 0. The process for setting up the office capacity is covered later in this webinar. Please note, however, that the appointment location start times and end times are only mandatory during the Phase 1 Go Live and are expected to be updated in a future release. Now, let's select the Appointment Configuration tab. The Appointment Configuration tab displays the appointment location's appointment channels, appointment location capacity, and the appointment location capacity override. Navigate to the appointment channel section. Appointment channels are how an ENT office accepts appointments, for example, by telephone or in person. The appointment channel displays the current appointment channel records. Each record displays the appointment channel's name, appointment location, appointment type, and the appointment channel. To set up appointment channels for an ENT office's appointment location, from the Appointment Channel section in the Appointments Configuration tab, click New. Search for and select ENT office's name from the Appointment Location field. Search for and select the appointment type from the Appointment Type field. In the Appointment Channel field, use the left and right arrow buttons to choose the appointment channel for the selected appointment type. Click Save to save the record. To edit an appointment channel record, click View from the drop-down icon at the end of the appointment channel record to be navigated to the Appointment Channel Detail screen. The Appointment Channel Detail screen displays the details of the appointment channel for that appointment type. Click Edit in the upper right to edit the appointment channel. Please note that only the appointment channel field may be updated when editing the record. The appointment location capacity is the ENT office's availability to accept appointments. In other words, how many appointments are available to be scheduled at that particular location. The appointment location capacity section displays the office's capacity records and displays the record's name, effective start date, end date, and the capacity configuration. To set up a location's appointment capacity, click New in the upper right of the appointment location capacity section to be navigated to the new appointment location capacity screen. On the new appointment location capacity screen, search and select the ENT office's name from the appointment location field. Click the calendar icon to select a start date from the effective start date field. Click to save the record and display the capacity configuration on the appointment location capacity detail screen. Please note that the end date field is read-only and is pre-populated by the system when a capacity record replaces the current appointment location's capacity. This would occur when an ENT office's capacity permanently changes and is replaced by a new record. The appointment location capacity detail section is pre-populated. Navigate to the capacity configuration, which displays the capacity fields for each day of the week. Click the configure links in the capacity fields to configure the capacity for each day. The capacity configuration screen for each day of the week displays 30-minute time slots beginning at 7 a.m. and ending at 6 p.m., entering the number of ENT provider staff available for each 30-minute time slot. If a time slot is not applicable or no staff are available, then 0 should be entered for that time slot. If the ENT office is closed on a particular day, then 0 should be entered for each time slot. Click Save to save the availability and return to the appointment location capacity setup screen. To edit a capacity record from the appointment location capacity section, click the drop-down icon at the end of the desired record, then select View to be taken to the Appointment Location Capacity Detail screen. Click the Configure link from the desired day's capacity field to update the ENT office's capacity for a specific day moving forward. Please note that the capacity record may not be updated after the effective start date. Once the effective start date has passed, a new capacity record or override record must be created. Additionally, keep in mind these additional points regarding capacity records. Capacity records should not be created before an existing capacity record. For example, if a current capacity record begins on December 1st, a new capacity record should not be created that starts on November 30th. Also, capacity records should only be made after an existing capacity record has a completed status under the capacity configuration. The completed status appears after the appointment location capacity has been saved for each required day of the week. Supervisors may also update or override an ENT office's capacity temporarily for a specific date. The Appointment Location Capacity Override section is available for providers, supervisors to update an ENT office's capacity for a specific date without changing the ENT office's long-term capacity. For example, if providers go on vacation, supervisors may override the ENT office's capacity for that specific date. The Appointment Location Capacity Override section displays an override record's name and the override date. Click New to begin creating a new override record. To create a new override record, search and select the ENT office's name from the appointment location field. Enter the date for which the ENT office's capacity needs to be updated in the override date field. Click Save to save the override record. Next, configure the capacity for the override record by navigating to the Appointment Location Capacity Override Detail screen. Search and select the ENT office's name from the appointment location field. Enter the date for which the ENT office's capacity needs to be updated in the override date field. Click Save to save the override record. On the capacity configuration screen, enter the updated ENT provider availability in the time slots for each day. If no providers are available for a time slot, enter a 0. Once saved, the new capacity configuration for the override record is active. To edit, click View from the drop-down icon at the end of the capacity override record to be navigated to the appointment location capacity override detail screen. Click the Configure link from the capacity configuration field to begin updating the ENT provider availability. Please note that the override record may be edited up to the override date. After the override date, the override record may not be edited. Now finally, we are going to discuss viewing appointment reports. To view appointment reports, begin by logging into the Connectability Home Dashboard screen by using your COG username and password. Click the Reports tab at the top of the Home Dashboard to be taken to the Reports screen. The Reports tab displays the 3 appointment reports. The 3 appointment reports displays on the Reports tab include the Summary of Available Office Capacity Report, Summary of Scheduled Appointment Report, and Summary of Appointment Notifications Report. Click the report to display the report pop-up to view more information about the report. The report pop-up also displays the View Report and Refresh buttons. Click View Report to view the report's details. View the appointment report and the report's details. The appointment reports are broken down by time slot. Please note the slots in the appointment reports represent the ENT office's 30-minute capacity time slots. A slot is available for each 30-minute time slot, beginning at 7 a.m. and lasting until 6 p.m. This concludes our discussion of connectability topics. The Kynect Appointments module is an upcoming Kynect benefits and connectability feature and is coming soon. The Kynect Appointments module in connectability and the Snap ENT functionality in Kynect benefits is set to go live on December 20th. This means Snap ENT appointments will still be available through Kynect benefits and connectability. However, application intake and renewal appointments for benefits are coming soon, so please watch for those additional communications and materials related to the Kynect Appointments modules for release in Kynect benefits. Now we discuss system updates in Kynect and walk through a system demonstration of ENT appointment scheduling and management in Kynect benefits. The audience affected by the system updates coming to Kynect benefits includes residents, agents, connectors, conduit staff, OATS staff, and DCBS office support assistants, also known as OSAs. Note, OSAs will only use the Kynect benefits system during Phase 1 of Kynect appointments go live. The Kynect appointment module allows residents, including ENT participants and other Kynect benefit users, the ability to view, schedule, and manage appointments through Kynect benefits. The new Appointments tab is being added to the resident dashboard. It navigates ENT participants and Kynect benefits users to the appointment summary screen to view, schedule, and manage appointments. The audience affected by the system updates coming to Kynect benefits includes residents, agents, connectors, conduit staff, OATS staff, and DCBS office support assistants, also known as OSAs. Note, OSAs will only use the Kynect benefits system during Phase 1 of Kynect appointments go live. The Kynect appointment module allows residents, including ENT participants and other Kynect benefit users, the ability to view, schedule, and manage appointments through Kynect benefits. The new Appointments tab is being added to the resident dashboard. It navigates ENT participants and Kynect benefits users to the appointment summary screen to view, schedule, and manage appointments. The appointment summary screen displays an ENT participant's upcoming and past appointments under separate tabs. Under the Upcoming Appointments tab on the appointment summary screen, click the drop-down icon next to each appointment to display the appointment details, such as date, time, appointment channel, and appointment location. The Upcoming Appointments section also displays the Reschedule and the Cancel Appointment links. The Past Appointments tab also displays the appointment details. Please note that the Reschedule Appointment and the Cancel Appointment links do not appear under the appointment details in the Past Appointments section. Click Schedule Appointment on the Appointment Summary screen to begin scheduling an appointment. Select the case from the Select Case screen if the ENT participant has multiple cases. Click Continue to proceed to the Member Details screen. On the Member Details, select the ENT participant's name from the Member drop-down. The ENT participant's information is pre-populated, including the first name, last name, email, primary phone number, and address. The email and the primary phone number fields are editable. The preferred contact method for appointments drop-down may be edited if the mail button was selected during the application intake process. Finally, click Next to navigate to the Select Appointment Type screen. Select an appointment type for the ENT participant from the Appointment Type selection screen by clicking the reason for scheduling the appointment. The available reasons are applying for benefits, renewing benefits, SNAP ENT assessment, ENT program general appointment. Select the applicable appointment subtype under the appointment reasons as necessary, and then click Next to navigate to the appointment location screen. Please note that the SNAP ENT assessment and ENT program general appointment may only be selected if the ENT participant is approved for SNAP ENT. ENT appointments may not be selected along with either the Apply for Benefits or Renew Benefits appointments. The Renew Benefit Appointment option is not displayed if there are no programs up for renewal. On the appointment location screen, the office card displays the appointment location hours, address, phone, and distance from the ENT participant's address to the office's address. The appointment location is mapped based on the ENT participant's zip code. Click Next to proceed to the Preferred Date screen. On the Preferred Date screen, use the calendar icon to search for and select the preferred date in the Search Available Time Slots From field. Click Next to proceed to the Select Time Slot screen. Please note that the Search Available Time Slots From field does not display the dates on the same date or within the next 24 hours. The field displays dates up to 15 business days from the current date. On the appointment location screen, the office card displays the appointment location hours, address, phone, and distance from the ENT participant's address to the office address. The appointment location is mapped based on the ENT participant's zip code. Click Next to proceed to the Preferred Date selection screen. Use the calendar icon to search for and select the preferred date in the Search Available Time Slots From field. Click Next to proceed to the Select Time Slot screen. Please note that the Search Available Time Slots From field does not display the dates on the same date or within the next 24 hours. The field displays dates up to 15 business days from the current date. Next, select an appointment channel, whether in person or via telephone, and any applicable special accommodations, including language or interpretation services, from the appointment channel and special accommodation screen. The office location is displayed under the Appointments channel list and shows the ENT office address. Click Schedule Appointment to confirm the appointment. Review and confirm the appointment details on the Appointment Details screen, then click Confirm Appointment. This schedules the appointment and displays the Appointment Successful Scheduled pop-up with the appointment details. Now we walk through rescheduling and canceling ENT participants' appointments. ENT participants may reschedule appointments by navigating to the Upcoming Appointments tab on the Appointment Summary screen. Click the drop-down next to the Upcoming Appointment to display the appointment details and the Reschedule Appointment and Cancel Appointment links. Click the Reschedule Appointment link to navigate to the Member Details screen and begin the rescheduling process. The Member Details screen is view-only during the rescheduling process, so review the details and click Next to continue to the Appointment Scheduling Type screen. ENT participants and other Kynect benefit users may also cancel an appointment by clicking Cancel Appointment at the bottom of the Member Details screen. The Appointment Type selection screen is also view-only during the rescheduling appointment process. Review the details and click Next to continue to the Appointment Location screen. The Appointment Location screen is also view-only during the rescheduling appointment process. Review the details of the location and click Next to continue to the Preferred Date selection screen. On the Preferred Date selection screen, use the calendar icon to search for and select the new appointment date in the Search Available Time Slots From field. Click Next to proceed to the Select Time Slots screen. Please note that the Search Available Time Slots From field does not display the dates on the same date or within the next 24 hours. The field displays dates up to 15 business days from the originally scheduled date. Next, select an appointment time slot on the Select Time Slot screen. The Select Time Slot screen displays all available time slots in the next 15 business days from the originally scheduled date. 5 dates are displayed at a time. Click View More Slots to view more time slots. Please note that the View More Slots button does not display if there are not more time slots. Select the preferred new time slot, then click Next to navigate to the Appointment Channel and Special Accommodations screen. finally, select the appointment channel in person or via telephone and any special accommodations, including language and interpretation from the appointment channel and special accommodations screen. The office location is the same location displayed on the appointment location screen. Click Schedule Appointment to confirm the rescheduled appointment. Your appointment is now rescheduled. Next, we are going to discuss canceling appointments within Kynect Benefits. ENT participants may cancel appointments from the Upcoming Appointments tab on the Appointment Summary screen. Click the drop-down icon next to the Upcoming Appointment to display the appointment details and the Reschedule and a Cancel Appointment links. Click the Cancel Appointment link. The appointment cancellation confirmation pop-up appears. Click Confirm to Are you sure you want to cancel this appointment question to cancel the appointment. Please note that the appointment may also be canceled by clicking the Cancel Appointment button at the bottom of the member details screen in the rescheduling appointment process flow. This concludes our demonstration of Kynect Benefits topics. Now we will cover correspondence updates. These updates inform residents of changes to Kynect Benefits. A few correspondences have been updated due to the Kynect Appointment module go live to inform ENT participants of scheduled or rescheduled appointments. The following correspondences have been updated. First, the SNAP ENT Appointment Notice, which is sent to ENT participants once their SNAP ENT appointment is scheduled or rescheduled. The SNAP ENT Missed Appointment Notice, which is updated with new instructions for rescheduling appointments through Kynect Benefits in the instance the individual misses an appointment. And finally, the Scheduled Appointment Notice, which is a new notice sent when residents schedule or reschedule an appointment from Kynect Benefits or Connectability. This notice contains the individual's appointment details. Please note that the additional benefit program notices are being updated to reflect the individual's ability to set up appointments at Kynect Benefits. Kynect Appointments module training and help resources are available to help ENT participants, providers, provider supervisors, and central office staff. For ENT providers, provider supervisors, and central office staff, the Kynect Appointment module training and help resources that are available include the Connectability Frequently Asked Questions document that answers commonly asked questions related to the appointment functionalities in Connectability. It is located on the SNAP ENT webpage on the CHFS website. The Connectability webinar is an approximately 30-minute recorded walkthrough of the Kynect Appointments module. It is located on the SNAP ENT page on the CHFS website. Kynect Appointment module training and help resources are also available to assist ENT participants as they use Kynect Benefits. Those include the Kynect Benefits Frequently Asked Questions document that answers commonly asked questions related to the appointment functionalities in Kynect Benefits. These FAQs are located on the Kynect Benefits page of the Department of Medicaid Services website. Kynect Benefits Quick Reference Guides are documents that provide guidance on different appointment functionalities in Kynect Benefits. These QRGs are located on the Kynect Benefits page of the Department for Medicaid Services website and are also found on the Kynect Benefits page of the DMS website and through the blue question mark help icon in Kynect Benefits. And finally, 2 Walk Me solutions are in-system, step-by-step guidance that cover completing appointment functionalities in Kynect Benefits and are located in Kynect Benefits through the blue question mark help icon. Thank you for watching the Kynect Appointments Connectability webinar. We'd like to leave you with a few additional thoughts and next steps as you anticipate the improvements to Connectability. The Kynect Appointments module introduces the ability for ENT participants to schedule appointments through Kynect Benefits and allows providers and supervisors to schedule and manage appointments from Connectability. The Connect Appointments module gives providers greater awareness of upcoming appointments through the ENT Provider Dashboard and provides supervisors additional capabilities to manage ENT office appointment locations. In preparation for the upcoming go-live on December 20th, 2021, please watch for additional Connect Appointments module communications and materials. Thank you again for joining the Connectability webinar for the Connect Appointments module Go Live.